Hi there guys, how are you? Now in this video we'll discuss some MCQs, multiple choice questions on war literature. Now पहले तो ये जानना जरूरी है that what is war literature? See, war literature can refer to any literature about war, about the causes of war, about the effects of war or the experiences of war. And broadly we have two varieties, one where war is glorified and the second is where war is condemned. ठीक है, चाहे वो World War I poets हो, Second World War writers हो, any writing or any literature dealing with the issue of war that can be clubbed under war literature. Now keep in mind that in the syllabus of UGC NET specifically ये mention नहीं किया हुआ है, but when we read the modern era, modernism, postmodernism, in that war literature is a part of it. So let's do some multiple choice questions and let's test your knowledge. आपने कितना पढ़ा है? But before I start, अगर आप मुझसे जुड़ना चाहते हैं then you can follow me on Telegram. ठीक है, and this is the link, Harsh Singh Sir Official. ठीक है, and this is a brief about me. Let me tell you that I've done my masters from Delhi University from Hansraj College. I've also written civil services exam, mains and interview with English literature optional, and rest you can read here. And one more small announcement, if you are preparing for UGC NET English, then we are starting a new batch on the 15th of July. Seats are limited, so book your seat as soon as possible. And for any inquiries, just call or WhatsApp us on this number 7678160296. ठीक है? And let me also tell you that there will be live classes along with all PDFs, along with MCQ practice. Everything will be included. And similarly, if you are preparing for MA English entrance for next year 2025 के लिए MA English entrance or CUET PG English, then a new batch starts on the 15th of July. For inquiries, just call or WhatsApp us on this number. So let's start with multiple choice questions on war literature. ठीक है? First question: Who is the renowned British author known for his war poetry during World War I? Now this is a very easy question, but A. T.S. Eliot, B. Wilfred Owen, C. Virginia Woolf, and D. D.H. Lawrence. Now इसका आंसर तो आपको पता होगा ही, it's pretty obvious. And the correct answer is B. Wilfred Owen. ठीक है? Now Wilfred Owen was a British poet known for his unflinching portrayal of the horrors of World War I. और इनकी एक पोएम है बहुत ही फेमस, Dulcet Decorum Est. ठीक है? And he challenged the glorification of war and he exposed the brutality of war. ठीक है? After that, next question: which Indian writer explored the theme of war in his novel The Siege of Krishnapur? A. Salman Rushdie, B. R.K. Narayan, C. Amitav Ghosh, and D. J.G. Farrell. Now question में एक करेक्शन होना चाहिए, which writer होना चाहिए. ठीक है? Not necessarily an Indian writer because here there is a foreign author also. ठीक है? But which of these is the correct answer? इसमें से आंसर कौन सा है? The correct answer is J.G. Farrell. ठीक है? ये काफी फेमस है, काफी इंपॉर्टेंट है. ठीक है? J.G. Farrell's novel The Siege of Krishnapur is a satirical historical fiction that depicts the Indian rebellion of 1857 from the perspective of British colonists besieged in a fictional Indian town. It explores themes of colonialism, cultural clashes, and the absurdity of war. ठीक है? Next question: The British novel explores the psychological effects of World War I on soldiers and features real life figures like poet Siegfried Sassoon. ठीक है? A. All Quiet on the Western Front, B. Bird Song, C. Regeneration, and D. The Great Indian Novel. इनमें से आंसर कौन सा है? See, the correct answer is C. Regeneration. ठीक है? This is by Pat Barker. His novel is a part of a trilogy exploring the psychological impact of World War I. ठीक है? It focuses on real-life figures like poet Siegfried Sassoon and the psychiatrist W.H.R. Rivers, delving into their struggles with PTSD and shell shock. ठीक है? And remember that just as we have the writer Wilfred Owen, similarly Siegfried Sassoon was a opponent of war. He was against war. ठीक है? Next question: In which Indian novel does the trauma of 1947 partition play a central role portraying the violence and upheaval faced by ordinary people? A. The God of Small Things, B. Train to Pakistan, C. Midnight's Children, and D. Siege of Krishnapur. Correct answer कौन सा है इसमें? Now one more thing guys, don't forget to like and subscribe this channel. See, the correct answer is B. ट्रेन टू पाकिस्तान. ठीक है? ये काफी फेमस नॉवल है बाय खुशवंत सिंह. ठीक है? खुशवंत सिंह's ट्रेन टू पाकिस्तान is a poignant novel set during the tumultuous partition of India in 1947. It portrays the violence, displacement and communal tensions that ravage the lives of ordinary people. ठीक है? After that, the next question. The novel God of Small Things by Arundhati Roy is set against the backdrop of which historical event? ठीक है, A. World War II, B. Vietnam War, C. Gulf War, and D. Ayodhya dispute. Now before telling you the answer, let me tell you that this novel is a Booker Prize winning novel by writer Arundhati Roy. ठीक है, काफी ये फेमस वर्क है, काफी इंपॉर्टेंट वर्क है. So ideally, along with knowing the answer to this question, you should know the broad storyline of this novel. ठीक है, अगर आप पढ़ सकते हो इस नॉवल को, it will be brilliant. इस नॉवल पर पहले भी काफी सवाल आ चुके हैं and even in future it is expected to be repeated. So what is the answer? The answer is Ayodhya dispute. ठीक है, अरुंधति रॉय's God of Small Things is set in Kerala, ठीक है, India, and explores themes of love, loss, social injustice against the backdrop of the Ayodhya dispute. ठीक है, a religious and political conflict over a holy site. Now we all know about Ayodhya. ठीक है, the next question is, which British author's work, The English Patient, explores love and loss during the Second World War? A. Ian McEwan, B. Kazuo Ishiguro, C. Michael Ondaatje, and D. Julian Barnes. So what is the correct answer? The correct answer is Michael Ondaatje. ठीक है, Ondaatje's The English Patient is a multi-layered novel that weaves together stories of love, loss, identity, and the devastation of World War II. ठीक है, it won the Booker Prize and was adapted into the Academy Award winning film. ठीक है, now as I told you in the beginning that war literature can be anything dealing with war. चाहे वो World War I हो, ठीक है, War of the Second World War हो, ठीक है, whether it be about war in any other part of the world, war literature is war literature. But mostly the emphasis in UGC NET English is and English literature is British literature. So ज़्यादातर आपको World War I, World War II के ही किताबें मिलेंगी. So focus more on British literature related to war. ठीक है, and of course Indian literature because that is also in the syllabus. After that, the novel A Passage to India by E.M. Forster is set during which historical period? A. British Raj, B. Mughal Empire, C. Indian Independence Movement, and D. Partition of India. क्या आंसर है? It's pretty easy, very easy. The answer is British Raj. ठीक है. Now, if you just know the date of publication of this, आपको उससे ही पता चल जाएगा और थोड़ा वो तो स्टोरी लाइन आपको पता होना ही चाहिए. Now, this novel is set in India during the British Raj, a period of British colonial rule. The novel explores the complex relationships between the British and Indians, as well as themes of cultural misunderstanding, ठीक है, and the quest for connection, ठीक है. After that, next question, which Indian writer's novel, The Shadow Lines, explores the impact of historical events on personal lives? Now this is a very very easy question. अगर आपको थोड़ा बहुत भी पता है राइटर के बारे में तो आपको easily आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हो, ठीक है. This is a part of the syllabus at many universities, ठीक है, this novel, The Shadow Lines. A. Bikram Chandra, B. Amitav Ghosh, C. Jhumpa Lahiri, and D. Amit Chaudhary. What is the answer? The correct answer is Amitav Ghosh. ठीक है, Amitav Ghosh has written The Shadow Lines. ठीक है, this is a novel that transcends borders and explores the interconnectedness of personal lives and historical events. It delves into the impact of political turmoil such as the partition of India and the Bangladesh Liberation War on individual identities and relationships. ठीक है. After that, the next question, the poem Dulce et Decorum Est by Wilfred Owen criticizes which common war sentiment? ठीक है, पेट्रियोटिज्म, हीरोइज्म, सैक्रिफाइस, नेशनलिज्म. नाउ ये काफी इंपॉर्टेंट पोएम है. आई ऑलरेडी मेंशन दिस इन द फर्स्ट और सेकंड क्वेश्चन. नाउ दोबारा देखो, डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन आया है इस पे. सो इनमें से आंसर कौन सा है? पेट्रियोटिज्म, हीरोइज्म, सैक्रिफाइस, नेशनलिज्म. द करेक्ट आंसर इज हीरोइज्म. ठीक है. नाउ कीप इन माइंड दैट being anti-war doesn't mean that you are not patriotic. It doesn't mean that you are not nationalistic. So the thing that Wilfred Owen criticizes is heroism. ठीक है? It vividly depicts the horrors of chemical warfare and challenges the idea that it is sweet and honorable to die for one's country. ठीक है? After that, which British author's novel Life of Pi includes a shipwreck's survivor's account of war and survival? कौन सा इनमें से? A. Jan Martel, B. Salman Rushdie, C. Z.D. Smith, and D. Kazuo Ishiguro. The correct answer is Jan Martel. ठीक है. Now Life of Pi बहुत ही famous है. It's a very very famous work. उसमें होता क्या है? It's less about war, more about a shipwreck. ठीक है. इन लोगों की नाव जो है वो डूब जाती है and how this boy survives along with some animals on a boat. ठीक है. और इस पे एक मूवी भी है, हॉलीवुड फिल्म भी है. ठीक है. If you haven't seen that movie, I suggest you should do so if you have time. ठीक है. So it is about a boy called Pai Patel, an Indian boy who survives a shipwreck and finds himself adrift in a lifeboat with a Bengal tiger. The novel explores themes of faith, survival, and the power of storytelling. सो बिफोर आई एंड वन मोर अनाउंसमेंट, अगर आप जामिया के एंट्रेंस की तैयारी कर रहे हैं, स्पेशली फॉर पीजी इंग्लिश एंट्रेंस, ठीक है, फॉर जामिया, वी आर रनिंग अ सेपरेट एंड न्यू बैच विच स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम द 15th of July, ठीक है। एंड एज यू ऑल नो, जामिया में सब्जेक्टिव टाइप क्वेश्चंस भी होते हैं और एस्से टाइप क्वेश्चंस भी होते हैं, along with the MCQ type section. So in this batch we will cover both MCQ type questions as well as essay type questions, and the entire syllabus of Jamia's entrance exam will be covered for PG English, ठीक है, for next year. For any inquiries just call or WhatsApp us on this number 7678160296, ठीक है।